Guys, everyone, welcome back to yet another video. Today I'm going to give you guys simple tips that will help you edit faster and make you more productive in Final Cut Pro. First of all, let's get familiar with the Final Cut Pro interface. From left to right on the top, we have the sidebar where you can access your library, your music or sound effects, and also your title and generators. And then we have the browser where you can access your imported clips and your imported audio. Next up, we have the viewer where your viewer edits. And on your far right, you have the inspectors where you can scale, color grade, add volume to your video, and so many other cool things. On the bottom half from left to right, you have the inspector index, the timeline where you do your cutting, trimming, and so on and so forth. And then on the far right, you have the browser where you can get your effects and transitions. So here's the tip, guys. To increase productivity, adjust your workspace layout according to the action that you want to do. It means less distraction because now you only have to focus on one thing at a time. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So when you want to import your clip on the timeline, you only need to see the browser, the viewer, and the timeline. We don't need the sidebar, so just click here and it will be gone. To hide the inspector tab, click here. The inspector index should be hidden by default, but if it's not, just click here and then get rid of the browser on the bottom right, and there it is. Now you can just focus on bringing the clips on your timeline and trim, cut, delete, do whatever you need to do to create your sequence. And the cool thing is you don't have to repeat all these steps every time you're editing. You can just save this workspace layout. To do that, go to Window, Workspace, Save Workspace As, and you can give it a name, whatever name you want, and now you'll always be able to access it in your workspace. You will see it right up here. Okay, now color grading is a very important part of editing, and if you just want to focus on color grading, this is what you need to do. Go to Window, Workspace, Color and Effects. Choose the scopes and histograms that you want to be displayed by choosing a template in View, and then right-click to make your choice. Okay, you will need the Inspector tab to color grade, so let's keep it there and then save the workspace layout. You can do the same thing if you want to focus on adding titles and generators. You can hide the features that you don't need and save the workspace layout. Actually, you can even click and drag these windows and stretch it out as much as you want before you save your workspace layout. Now, this next one is big. To be honest with you guys, I like this one a lot. If you want to work just on your audio, this is what you need to do. Click here to change the appearance of your timeline and click on Just Audio. It's the first display from the left, and now look at your timeline. You only see the audio. And you don't even need to save this workspace layout because it's so easy to access. I use this display a lot when I want to edit to the beat and add markers, and when I want to add some effects or just treat the audio. Here's the main thing. Working on one thing at a time or focusing on one thing at a time makes you more productive, but you gotta find what works for you. Do what works for you in your workflow. Do what makes you more productive, and it might be different from what I just shared today, but do you, and that's it. If you guys get any value from this video, go check out these tips for Final Cut Pro users, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.